So here we are, my favorite spot, Alpha Tint. Like I said, car is currently stock. Nothing done to it. Got to change the license plate frame. That shit looks funny. But we're gonna go ahead and do 5% on everything, and then we're gonna go ahead and do probably 35% in the front. So stay tuned. That's how this baddie looks. Even just stock looks fucking nice as fuck. So just a whole walk around on every angle. Guys, so we're back at Alpha Tint. I don't know what to expect. Oh my gosh, looks badass. Damn, that thing is dark as hell. Sheesh, didn't see anything in there. Let's go. All right, we got the window tint on. She looks badass. Doesn't look as dark as I thought. Of course, after like a day or two, it does get a little bit darker. But god damn, I'm fucking impressed. Alpha Tint never disappoints. Lifetime warranty. Great prices guaranteed, guys. I've taken all my cars here. They won't disappoint you. I took my Civic, had it for 4 years, never no air bubbles or nothing. And I'm sure these will never get air bubbles either. So highly recommend it, guys. All right, guys, so I went ahead and got a license plate because obviously the one that's on there is pink. I also got a trunk tray and some all-season floor mats. So when it rains, you know, I'm all ready to go. You know, they just offered me a $200 parts certificate, so I was like, fuck it, I don't know what to get, so I got these things. So stay tuned. All right, so we're all done. There you go. Check it out. Looks fucking better than the pink one. Go ahead and remove that. There you go. Fucking way better now. Now that she looks like a used car, not a new one. That's right. Fucking Brembo brakes, guys. It's just fucking badass. And that shit. She gets to be fucking wet right there. In fact, that's all Brembo brakes. I just love the red over the blue. Looks fucking sick. Straight M performance. You guys know the vibe. And the party's just getting started. We got my dad's lowrider right here. Check it out. We're on our way to AA Concepts to get some carbon fiber parts installed today. Gonna put the windows up. About to fill up some gas real quick, and then we're going to wash the car real fast and then head over to Pasadena. It's gonna be one hell of a drive because it's like a 50-minute drive because I'm in Garden Grove. So we're gonna fill up at some Shell real quick since that's what BMW recommends. So stay tuned. We're not supposed to be on the carpool lane, but here we are because fucking traffic is fucking here. So wish us luck. I mean, luckily we got the 5% tint, so we don't gotta worry about that shit. So anyway, we're almost there, about like 30 minutes out. Just fucking stay tuned. I'm fucking excited for this shit, guys. Car's gonna look fucking badass. Not doing all the carbon fiber parts I want yet just because they sold out of one of the stuff that I was gonna get. But anyway, we'll talk about that later. So in the process of breaking it in, my goal is to hit 1,000 miles and do fresh oil change. We're at 596, and then from there I'm gonna hopefully just figure out where I'm gonna unlock the DME at, and then put the downpipe and intake that I have at home, since I've been having them sit there since I had the other 2020 M340i. And obviously, you know, these are known to have locked ECUs or DMEs, whichever you want to call it. But anyway, guys, yeah, that's pretty much the game plan. So this is helping me break it into because it's a pretty fucking far drive. But just listen to that engine though. Sounds fucking nice. Doesn't sound as loud as the other one, obviously, because the other one I feel like I had a resonator delete. I also did have an exhaust leak, so I just into like a little pour here. Oh man, that sounds fucking beautiful. I wish I could. I haven't been going past 3,000 to 4,000 RPM, I'll tell you that. And I've been so tempted, but I can't. I just want to make sure this car gets broken in properly because I'm going to keep this baby for a long time. So here we are, AA Concepts in Pasadena. This is how she sits. Looks like she didn't really get that much of a good wash, but it's how she sits stock. So let's wait and see how she looks when she's modified. I'm gonna get a good wash afterwards though. So stay tuned for the parts I'm about to put on. So we're here at AA Concepts with the owner. How you doing, bro? What were we installing today?
So today we're gonna be putting on our G20 aggressive high kick. You can see probably the most aggressive option we have for the G20, and it works on the G80 as well. So depending on which model you have,
sick.
Good option.
Hell yeah.
Mirror caps, carbon mirror caps. I think this is a must on the car. These look really good. The little winglet adds a little extra aggression.
Hell yeah.
And then, you know, there's never too much carbon.
Yep.
So we got the antenna cover right here. We're gonna be putting on the lip very soon once we get those back in stock, and the car's gonna be looking new one.
Cool, thank you, bro. Appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, make sure to follow them on Instagram.
Yeah.
AA Concepts.
AA Concepts Co.
AA Concepts Co.
Social media links, so Instagram, YouTube, stuff like that. Check us out, guys.
Hell yeah, and they're in Pasadena, California.
Yeah, thank you.
What are we driving?
Hey, true, baby, up for the track. You know, take it to the top, and that's the truth. Truth hurts. Oh yeah. If you're broke, but you're still pimping, drinking, smoking, then say, oh yeah.
So we're all done?
Yeah, we just put the spoiler on.
Oh shit.
Looks good.
Hell yeah. Looks aggressive.
We did the carbon antenna cover.
Okay.
Add on. It contrasts really well with the white, so can never go wrong with
Of course,
white.
you can't. Damn, this shit looks nice.
The carbon mirror caps, these are full replacements, so we're all removing existing ones and, you know, taking everything out. But those sit really good.
Hell yeah.
That's a good presence. We're gonna get the lip on soon. You can just see the mirror caps right there, how they look green.
Yeah, 100%. Damn, that thing looks way more aggressive.
Right?
Holy shit,
Doesn't it
yeah.
look
Dude, I can't wait for the front lip, honestly.
Yeah, it's gonna be.
Damn, it's gonna look,
really
looks
good.
fucking badass.
Eventually add more stuff. It's gonna look really good.
Yeah, cool. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate it. She looks fucking badass. Check it out, guys. The side profile right here. Damn. All right, guys. So we got the lip installed. Check it out. You can even see it on the trunk right there. You can see it a little bit. I'm not sure if you could tell. It's like right there. She looks fucking badass. But anyway, super satisfied. You can even see like obviously the side mirror caps right there. But fucking super excited, guys. So that's it for now until we get the next parts coming in, because of course they ran out of stock on the front lip, so stay tuned for that. Might end up doing some side skirts and rear diffuser as well, so stay tuned. But don't forget to like, favorite, comment, subscribe. Car looks fucking badass in my opinion. And yeah, that's it for today's vlog.
Hey, true, baby, up for the track. You know, take it to the top, and that's the truth. Truth hurts.